Model, 2016 Mercedes Sprinter 313 2.2 Cdi Fridge Luton Chassis Box Van Recovery No VAT. Body, white, fridge. Mileage, 310352. MOT, the 17th of September 2025. Engine, 2143 CCM 651,129 HPA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash, starting to drive exactly as it should. Nice, strong, reliable, powerful 6-speed manual Mercedes Sprinter fridge unit works fine. Will make a great recovery truck or do what you want with it, up to you. No VAT to pay whatsoever. Grin. Condition summary.